Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are fine and safe. Myself Kriti Fukon, and today I am here to discuss about the new revised syllabus of accountancy which has been issued by the CBSE for the academic year 2021. So as we all know that the situation of COVID-19 is getting worse day by day, and the number of positive cases has been increasing, and for this the government has also declared lockdown in some places, and the schools and colleges are already closed for a long period of time, and we don't know up to what time this same will be continuing like that. So it has also been means difficult for most of the schools, teachers of schools and colleges to do the online classes, also for some of the students. And as we all know, that course of class 11 and 12, the syllabus for class 11 and 12 is a bit vast, and for this it might not be possible for all the teachers to complete the whole course for this academic year 2021. So a very good initiative has been taken by the CBSE, and that is the courses has been reduced by 30% for class 9 to class 12 for most of the subjects, and I think it is very good for both the teachers and the students. And so in this video we will today discuss about the new revised syllabus of CBSE for subject accountancy. So let's see what topics has been cancelled, or what topics has been deducted from the syllabus for this year. So this is our revised syllabus for accountancy for class 11 academic year 2021. So here the marking scheme for theory and project is same. For theory you have 80 marks, and for project you have 20 marks, and the unit wise marking scheme is also same here. So the changes has been made with the topics. So here you can see part A, financial accounting 1, their introduction to accounting, it is same like the earlier syllabus. All the topics are important. Next we go to the next chapter, theory base of accounting. Here change has been made, and that is our goods and service tax. Here in the earlier syllabus there you need the journal entries in related to goods and service tax, that is GST, a new topic, but now it has been reduced, and now you only need the characteristics and objectives of GST. Next again you can see here accounting process. In the accounting process all the topics are essential like the earlier syllabus. All the topics are important. Bank reconciliation statement is also same, no change. Depreciation and provisions reserves, it has been also been same. Only here you need only two methods of depreciation. That one is the straight line method and the written down value method. Now again accounting for bills of exchange is also same. Now here one thing is excluded, and that is excluding accounting treatment for accommodation of bill. So this accommodation of bill topic is not needed. No practical sum is essential from this topic. Now again financial accounting 2, there you needed financial accounting of complete and incomplete records. So it has not been reduced, it is same as it is like the earlier syllabus. Now unit 4, very important change has been made here. So earlier in this topic the important parts, you had 4 chapters in the computers and accounting, but now it has been reduced, and here you only need some specific topics. So these topics are like introduction to computer and accounting information system, introduction to computers, the elements, capabilities, limitations of computer system, only this much is important. And number 2 is our automation of accounting process, only this is necessary. So only this 2 part has been are to be discussed in this computers and accounting unit. So and the last one is our project work, and here it is same like the earlier one. You need any one out of these 3 topics. So this is the major changes which has been made in accountancy. The PDF link will be given to you in the description box. You can go through that link and you can download the revised syllabus of accountancy of which has been given by the CBSE. And the second part of the video, there you will get the syllabus for business studies, the revised syllabus, which will be discussed by Anamika Talukdar.
So now this is for class 11 business studies, and as you can see, this is the marks distribution. Chapters name are same, but few chapters from those units are taken away, so I'm going to discuss it. And you have 20 marks from project and rest of the 80 from all the other chapters. So let's move forward. From unit 1, that is evolution and fundamentals of business, everything is needed as earlier. I'm going to give the PDF in the description box. Class 11 also can download from the description box. So first unit is same, no change. From unit 2, the last one was choice of form of business, which is omitted from here. You don't need it. So in the new syllabus you will get it only. So there was a last chapter which was choice of form of business organization, which is not needed now. And from unit 3, again the last chapter, that is multinational company, is not needed now. From unit 4, again the last one, that is postal service after insurance. So this is the last one, the insurance, but after insurance there was a postal service chapter which is not needed now. From unit 5, again the same, last one, last chapter, that is business process outsourcing, BPO, is taken away, not needed now. From 6th one, again the last chapter, that is business ethics, is reduced, not needed. Then from unit 7 and unit 8, everything is needed. From unit 9, the last one, that is types of retail trade, small scale fixed shops and the relation of retailers, so this is not needed from unit 9. So from 7-8 there was no change. From unit 9, again the last chapter. So whatever I said, in every unit there is the last chapter is removed. So 7 and 8 no change, unit 1 no change, unit 9 again the last chapter is not needed. And moving forward to unit 10, from unit 10 GST, yeah, one thing, yes, from unit 9 GST is also needed, not from unit 10. From unit 9 GST chapter is also reduced. From unit 10 you do not need export trade, so there is only here only one international trade is needed. Export, import, documents related to export, import, these chapters were also present earlier, but now it's not needed. Then you have project work, which will be given from your school or college. Hope it is clear to you. You can download the syllabus and you will understand it properly after seeing the detailed syllabus. So this video was for that only. Thank you very much.